Welcome to the Learning Studio. In today's episode of our Education and Teaching series, we're tackling a topic that's both powerful and necessary: school law and ethics. Whether you're a student, a parent, a teacher, or a school leader, understanding the legal and ethical responsibilities in education is essential for creating safe, fair, and respectful learning environments. You can explore more topics like this by checking the full playlist linked in the video description below. What is school law and ethics? Let's break it down. School law refers to the rules, policies, and legal rights that govern schools, covering everything from student rights to teacher contracts and safety regulations. Ethics in education is about doing what's morally right, even when there's no written law. It's the principles and values that guide decisions in everyday school life, like fairness, respect, honesty, and responsibility. In short, law tells us what we must do. Ethics tells us what we should do. Why is this important in education? Because schools deal with children, families, and futures. Every decision carries weight. Teachers and school leaders must understand both legal rights and ethical responsibilities to protect students from harm, promote equality and inclusion, make fair decisions, handle sensitive situations like bullying, privacy, or discipline, avoid legal trouble, and maintain trust. A lack of awareness in this area can lead to serious consequences, not just lawsuits, but damaged reputations and broken relationships. Examples of key school laws. Depending on your country, here are some common areas covered by school law. Student rights, freedom of expression, privacy, and protection from discrimination. Teacher responsibilities, maintaining professional conduct and respecting boundaries. Child protection laws, mandatory reporting of abuse or neglect. Inclusive education policies, supporting students with disabilities or learning needs. Data privacy, protecting student records and online behavior. In the U.S., laws like FERPA, student privacy, and IDEA, special education rights, are foundational. In countries like the UK, the Children Act and Equality Act guide school responsibilities. Ethical dilemmas in education. Let's say a student confides something personal to you. Should you keep it private or report it? Or imagine giving a student a second chance on a test while denying another. Is that fair? Ethics helps teachers navigate these gray areas with wisdom and compassion. Qualities of an ethical educator. An ethical educator is someone who respects all students equally, maintains professional boundaries, models honesty and integrity, speaks up against injustice, reflects on their decisions, and learns from mistakes. These aren't just nice traits. They're the foundation of a healthy school culture. Why aspiring teachers must learn. This knowing the law protects your rights, living by ethical principles earns you trust, and together they help you create a safe, inclusive space where all students can thrive. As a future educator, you won't just teach lessons, you'll set an example. And that starts with understanding the rules and the right thing to do. What's next? In our next episode, we'll dive into inclusive and special education. How we build classrooms that support all learners, no matter their background or ability. Be sure to subscribe, leave your thoughts in the comments, and follow the full playlist linked in the description. Thanks for growing with us here at the Learning Studio.